Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the device and opening settings. Tap the banner with your name at the top to reach Apple ID controls. You need the device passcode or Face ID ready because Apple protects password access with biometrics or passcode. Once done, you'll see sections like Password and Security and iCloud. These are where password and recovery options live. Make sure you're on a stable network so settings load. This avoids delays when you move to verification steps next. You now tap Password and Security to find the Change Password option. This is the central control for updating or recovering your Apple ID password. If you remember your device passcode, you can change the password directly. If not, choose Account Recovery. Apple will send codes to trusted phone numbers or devices. You must complete the verification prompts. They prove you own the account. Once you enter the received code, you can set a new, strong password and update devices. You finish by entering and confirming a new, secure Apple ID password, and then make sure every device signed in updates that password. Otherwise, you'll see repeated sign-in prompts. If verification fails, or you can't access trusted numbers, start account recovery from the device or via iForget processes to regain access. This takes time, but is secure. Troubleshoot by confirming correct trusted numbers, checking device time is accurate, and ensuring a stable internet connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.